I-play tong ko Unreal, i-play tong MB. Na, live na.
Go live na.
Pag ano pa tayo, i-play lang sa itong live. Kinsa to, kinsa ang mga natutagayin na.
Hawakan mo ang aking
uliton to? Ay, nakadiri ang result. Gosh, hindi na mabalik. Tanggalan lang ako. Nag-start na kay Alicia. So, ibalik na ko andun kay Alicia.
Ay, okay.
Ang kantang
what the shit, bro?
Halina sumabay Kaibigan Sabihin tatlo magrakrakan 1, 2, 3, go! Sumigaw! Tumalong! Halina't magsaya Kalimutan ang problema Sumayaw Gumalaw Itak ang katawan Sa tugtog na kinabukasan Tara't magrakrakan
Let us not lose faith. Aahon tayo ng magkasabay. Once an orange fox, always an orange fox.
Halina't sumabay, kaibigan Sa bilang ng tatlo, magrakrakan Sumigaw, tumalong Halina't magsaya, kalimutan ang problema Sumayaw, gumalaw Iindak ang katawan Sa tugtog na kinabukasan Tara't magrakrakan
Rakrakan 2021, the CAT Virtual Acquaintance Party is brought to you by RMNG Construction Supply. You can buy everything here. Freden Construction, building a better tomorrow. Jaipur, Ukay Ganda, a style for every story. Tara, meet up. Bombshell, girl, you the bomb. Duku, car trading. Revamp, your upgrade ally. The Fudging Tones. Periwinkle. Livewire Planet Suites. Stay once, carry memories forever. Kikai's Tea Hub. Once you sip it, always wanted. Fubcase. Cartel, Clothing PH. Drive Pro, Travel Services. Jamvi Engineering Works and Services. Kaltha, General Merchandise. V Apparel.
Copyright issues?
Pwede. Ikaw na lang, Ingon. Sorry lang kasi.
Jel.
Hi everyone! Good evening! We are back. Sorry po sa some technical difficulties at Dex. May sasabihin ka ba?
Yes, I would like to apologize because naputol ang ating live stream. Meron lang tayong some technical difficulties and issues na nangyari dito sa ating live stream ngayon. But
pero diba at least bumalik kami, guys.
Yes, ayun nga yung importante dyan Kahit pumalis, babalik. Ayun.
Siyempre, diba, hindi namin kayo iniwan. Sana rin hindi nyo rin kami iwanan.
Yeah, dapat hindi nyo rin kami iwanan.
So, babalik tayo sa ating spin the wheel. Uulitin namin. We have 15 winners, pero ang unang tatlong makukuha is wala po siyang prize.
Yes, correct.
Dex, di ba tama, Dex?
Yes, tama yun, Jel. Yung unang tatlong nakuha kanina ay hindi makakatanggap ng prize, and yung 12 persons na may iwan ay makakatanggap ng phone case galing sa Fab Case. Ayun.
Yes, pero parang mag-ulit ata tayo ng spin the wheel, tama ba?
Tama ba?
Tama ba, Tech?
Pa-confirm nga tayo dito sa ating tactical.
Pakigalaw naman po ng baso para hindi po kami magkamali.
Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge once again the presence of one of the C80's professor, yes, tama. Ma'am or engineer, Fel Canonigo. Hi, ma'am. Good evening po.
Hi po, ma'am. Good evening po. Thank you po for stopping by. Oo daw, sabi daw ng ating...
Ayan, nag-reply ng ating technical team. Sabi nila, oo, ulit. Opo, yes po. Okay. Okay, Jel. Huwag na natin patagalin to. In 3, 2, 1, spin the wheel.
Sino kaya ang maunang matatanggal?
Okay. So, ito ang matatanggal, Jel. Tama ba?
Opo, siya ang una. Thank you, Hazen Kinch Bergundo. Thank you for
so much
participating the acquaintance party. Maraming salamat po.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, for our second elimination sa ating spin the wheel, let's start. Okay, Jel.
Yes. Thank you, Angeli Joy Franco Mercado. Thank you for participating in the acquaintance party. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Okay, for the third elimination, let's start.
So,
okay.
Spin the wheel in 3, 2, 1, go. Ay, wait lang po daw.
Okay, wait lang daw. Okay, magbasa muna kayo tayo ng comment section dito.
Oh, go Dex.
Okay. Parang ano ata sila dito ay nag-uusap.
Naghugot, may pahugot sila.
Kaya nga, makiusos kaya tayo.
Sabi ni Jao Tingson, we deserve those who never live, not those who come back. Oh, sino ka dyan?
Grabe, may pahugot tayo ngayong gabi.
Diba?
Okay, sino ba? Ayun, shout out kay Jao Chongson Cerilla. Okay, ayan, mahal ka namin, Jao. Hashtag Jao for President. Hi, Jao, ang aming captionist. The captionist of the CE80. Hi, Jao.
Kung sa inyo walang comeback, sa amin may pa-comeback ang acquaintance party na live. Oh.
Yun.
Charot lang.
May pa-comeback ang acquaintance party. Okay.
Ay, sige na daw, Dex. Okay na daw ang ating spin the wheel. Gina, G.
For our next prize, ano bang matatanggap nila, Jel?
For this prize, makakatanggap kayo ng phone case from Fab Case.
Okay, ayan. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Yay! Congratulations! Karen Malyo, makakatanggap ka ng phone case from Fabcase. Next one. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, congratulations to JZ Guillermo. Well, congratulations to
Mika Alison Estrada.
Okay, next.
Next one. Congratulations po. Next one is Jessa Villaflor.
Congratulations. Okay, next. Okay, congratulations to Kylie Pescadero. Okay, let's proceed. Next. Okay, so iba na po pala ang prize para sa remaining winners ng ating Spin the Wheel. At ang prize na ito ay... Ano ba ang prize na ito?
Helmet with shades ba, Dex? Tama ba? Or...
Okay, sige, we will wait for the confirmation. Iba na daw ang price. Yes, iba na po ang price. Okay, ayan. Okay, we will just wait for the confirmation of the price. Okay, dyan, magbasa mo na kaya tayo ng comments.
Pwede, Dex. Go, Dex. Magbasa ka na dyan.
Okay, ayan.
May pa-house and lot na daw, oh.
House and lot na, sabi ni Sizer Chris Imbong. Sabi ni Matthew Alvin Madarang, patay, unsaw na ko ang helmet. Okay. Sabi naman ni Kuya Oliver, unsa nga helmet katong murag scrub? Sana all.
Sabi
ni
naman
Joshua
ni-
T. Conlu.
Sabi naman ni D-Boy, mananalo kaya tulad ng last time? Ay, siguro meron siyang
grabe.
nanalo last time. May nakuha ata siya. Grabe naman,
sabi
D-Boy.
naman ni Ryan Gabriel Mahinay, dapat madaog na ko.
May pa-shoutout watching from USA. Okay, sana all USA.
Wow. Shout out.
Shoutout dyan, Martin Karumba. Sabi naman ni Angeli Joy, go ECE Japon.
Okay. Sabi ni Christian Milanza Gomez, grand winner, D-Boy. Okay, ano na ba? Siguro helmet nga, no? Helmet with glasses.
Helmet with shades.
Shades. Okay. Helmet.
Ang nandito
with
kasi is,
shades.
bale, 2, 4, 5, 5 na lang sila ang naiwan. So, dito sa atin, ang mga prices is helmet with shades from Drive Pro. Dalawang makakatanggap nun. Tapos, isang helmet with shades from Drive Pro and free delivery coupon from the Fudgingtons.
Okay,
Start
ayan.
na daw tayo, Dex.
Okay. For the helmet with shades, let's start the spin the wheel. Ayan, congratulations to me, Alicia Nazareth. Makakatanggap ka ng helmet with shades.
From Drive Pro. Next one is spin the wheel. Again, makakatanggap ka ng helmet with shades from Bride Pro, Divine Princess Carol. Congratulations!
At Jel, ang susunod na mananalo ay makakakuha ng helmet with shades and free delivery coupon from the Fudgingtons.
O, saan ka pa? Free delivery na yan, diba? So, spin the wheel na.
Okay, congratulations to Ryan Gabriel Mahinay. Makakatanggap ka ng helmet with shades and free delivery coupon from the Fudgingtons. Pero Jel, may gusto lang akong linawin, no? Itong helmet with shades natin ay hindi siya pang motor, kung hindi pang bike. Tama ba?
Okay. So, kung sino ang nagbabike dyan, meron kayong helmet with shades.
At parang itong nanalo na last winner natin si Ryan, parang nagbabike talaga to siya. So,
sana all deserve.
Timely. Okay. For our next winner naman, makakatanggap siya ng camera which is 1080p and 100 pesos off from the Fudgingtons. Okay.
Wow naman, may pa-camera ang Revamp.
Yeah, di ba? May pa-camera.
Thank you, Revamp, for sponsoring.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, spin the wheel.
Parang siniswerte talaga ang pangalan ni Eddie Boy ngayong gabi, no?
Congratulations to Mr. Eddie Boy Cantabaco. Nanalo ka ng camera 1080p and 100 pesos off from Fudgingtons. The camera
congratulations.
is brought to you by
Revamp.
Okay, and for our winner, wala nang iba. Makakatanggap ka ng condenser mic and 150 pesos off from the Fudgingtons.
Yay! Congratulations, Matthew Alvin Madarang.
Okay, ayan. Tulad nito, Jel, tama ba?
Tama.
Okay, congratulations.
Ipinahiram lang ho kami ng aming chairperson.
Yes, shout out nga pala sa aming chairperson na si J. Matthew Binias. Ayan.
Yes, congratulations. Congratulations po. Congratulations to everyone na nagwagi at may papremyo.
Sa tingin ko walang dito, lahat panalo.
Tama ka dyan, Dex.
Okay, once again, congratulations to our winners.
So, to move forward, Dex.
Okay.
Ready na ba ang lahat? Kasi mag-a-announce na ho kami ng overall champion for this second Virtual Acquaintance Party 2021. Comment down guys kung sino ang gusto nyong maging champion sa araw na ito.
Tama ka, Jel. Sino nga ba? Sige nga, comment nga kayo.
Let's go, guys!
Ayun. Okay. Okay. Wag na natin siguro patagalin, Jel. Let us
Dex.
To our second
runner-up.
Our second runner-up overall champion. For our second runner-up overall champion, congratulations to congratulations to BS Architecture.
Congratulations po.
Okay, Jel, for our first place.
For our first place or first runner-up, we have Electronics Engineering. Tama ba, Dex?
Yes, tama ka dyan, Jel. Congratulations.
And, Dex?
And for this second Virtual Acquaintance Party
champion,
overall champion, we have congratulations to BS Civil Engineering.
Yay! Congratulations, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, for being the champions for this second virtual acquaintance party. Congrats everyone! Congrats po!
Everyone. I know everyone made an effort in this year's acquaintance party, Jel. Di ba?
Yes, tama ka dyan, Dex. At alam kong nag-prepare, nagbigay ng oras at atensyon ang ating kanya-kanyang courses para sa kanilang mga participants. Kaya congratulations po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Orange Foxes.
Okay, congratulations once again. And now, to give us a very meaningful closing remarks, let us welcome our energetic Mother Fox, Engineer Sheila Jingle A. Serino, MEECE.
Hello there,
a round of
Foxes.
applause, please.
Undeniably, with what you have shown this school year, you have set the bar higher in holding an activity. Hello there, Foxes. I would like to thank of you for participating in the second virtual acquaintance activity of the college. Last year, you took the risk of holding a virtual acquaintance activity even with very limited resources and with nothing to benchmark on. But with the persistence and the innovative minds of your student leaders, you were able to pave the way for the other students to hold online activities as well. Undeniably, with what you have shown this school year, you have set the bar higher in holding an activity such as this. In spite of the challenges you face in learning in the new normal, you continue to live up to what our college truly aspires you to be builders and innovators. So, a big congratulations to all our participants, our club officers, technical staff, our teachers, judges, and all the CEAT Student Council headed by J. Matthew Binyas for all the efforts in making this activity possible and for finding ways in giving joy to your fellow students. And of course, allow me to thank all the people who supported our activity as well. Our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to all of you. Lastly, let us continue to pray for each other as we hurdle the challenges of this pandemic. Someday soon, I am sure, we will be having our acquaintance party back at the NDDU covered area where everyone will be singing, dancing, and eating together. But for the meantime, stay safe, have fun at home, and make the best out of our online virtual activities. God bless us all.
Remember, O most gracious Virgin Mary, that never was it known that anyone who fled to your protection, implored your help, or sought your intercession was left unaided. Inspired by this
so much for that very inspiring closing remarks. Ma'am,
Yes po.
Serena.
Thank you. Thank you,
Ma'am.
our Mother Fox. Thank you po. Thank you po for giving us an opportunity to have this second virtual acquaintance party. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. At may pahabol tayo na shoutout galing kay Mark Adrian Salcedo. Hi, Mark.
At
And
syempre,
Gal?
okay, Dex, go. Baka may
Sige,
gusto kang
sige.
sabihin. Okay, ikaw na muna.
sige, gusto ko lang kasi magpasalamat sa lahat ng naging part ng this year's acquaintance party.
Ayaw
Okay.
paghilak, Dex, ha?
Hindi ako
Kalma
iyak
lang.
din.
Hindi ka iiyak, okay.
Aminado ako na this year's acquaintance party is very memorable for me.
Yes, sobra. Hindi to mabubuo kung walang mga CAT officers. Kaya maraming salamat po. Spearheaded by our own chairperson. We thank you. We are grateful to you, our J. Matthew Binyas. And to our college dean, maraming salamat po. And to all the committees, sige, isa-isa ho na to. Technical committee, spearheaded by Jasmine Diquila. And academic committee, spearheaded by Daryl Joy Lafuente. Dex, ikaw na pod.
Social committee, spearheaded by John Leo Manayaga. Volunteering committee, spearheaded by Zaimond Aranya. Monitoring committee, spearheaded by Jel?
Spearheaded by, saan na ta?
Monitoring committee, spearheaded by...
Spearheaded by...
Okay, monitoring committee.
Monitoring committee, sports committee, opening committee. Maraming salamat po. Hindi na po namin kayo maisa-isa, pero we are very grateful po. Yes po. Maraming salamat po.
Of course, to our faculty and staff of the CEAT. Taos puso po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo. To all the participants and to all the members and students of the CEAT. Maraming salamat po. Maraming
salamat po. Hindi po kami magsasawang magpasalamat po sa inyong lahat. Kaya, Thank you po. For the last time, this has been your host, Angel May of Tana.
Yes, and for the last time too, this has been your host, John Perez. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Bye po. Thank you everyone. Take care.
Take care always.
Stay safe always po. Magpabakuna na tayong lahat. Bye po. Thank you. Dagan kayong salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Anyone who fled to your protection, implored your help, or sought your intercession was left unaided. Inspired by this confidence, I fly unto you, O Virgin of Virgins, my Mother. To you do I come, before you I stand, sinful and sorrowful. O Mother of the Word incarnate, despise not my petitions, but in your clemency, hear and answer me. Amen.
Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, sabay natin harapin ang umaga. Iwanan na munang magulong mundo, tayo'y magsaya gamit ang kantang ito. Halina sumabay, kaibigan, sa bilang tatlo magrakrakan. 1, 2, 3, go! Sumigaw! Tumalaw! Halina't magsaya, kalimutan ang problema. Sumayaw! Gumalaw! Itak ang katawan sa tugtog na kinabukasan. Tara na't magrakrakan.
Let us not lose faith. Aahon tayo ng magkasabay once An orange fox, always an orange fox.
Halina't sumabay, kaibigan, sa bilang ng tatlo magrak-rakan. Sumigaw, tumalo, halina't magsaya, kalimutan ang problema. Sumayaw, gumalaw, iindak ang katawan sa tugtog na kinabukasan. Tara na't magrak-rakan.